What's good, YouTube? We got another reaction here. This is some doorbell camera stuff. So you already know we're about to see something crazy like we always do.
This scary doorbell footage happened in Nashville, Tennessee. A man can be seen inside the owner of this home's car in an attempt to steal it before she came out to confront him. Take a
You guys need to start locking your car door, your house door, anything that has a lock on it. Lock it. Is it that hard to lock what needs to be locked? It has a lock on it for a reason. Come on now.
What you're doing? Get out of here!
Oh shit! Did he shoot the dog? Oh, tweaking.
The man fled the scene, firing off a round before driving off. The dog appeared it was going after him, but the round must have scared it. The authorities would be called, but the man was never caught.
Damn. See.
This footage also takes place in Nashville, and it shows a car crashing in front of
Oh
this
my
home.
gosh, bro. What is up with y'all in Nashville? Y'all niggas tripping.
There were no serious injuries. However, it turned out this car was stolen by the person driving. Just a dose of karma for the driver, wouldn't you say?
Please, I don't know. Can one of y'all robbers please tell me how the hell do you manage to steal a car, then you manage to crash it like instantly? Like if you don't know how to drive, what's the point of stealing the car? Or like, what the fuck happens? Because I know I can drive, but I'm like, I don't know. Y'all gotta explain to me. I'm lost.
Doorbell footage in Flint, Michigan captures an attempted home break-in that will terrify you.
Oh wow, this nigga just walked up, kicked the door in. He's struggling though. Oh, never mind. Wait. So the camera fell off. I'm thinking the door fell off. The camera fell off. This nigga must be weak or something. And you got the Timbs? Bro, this nigga weak.
The homeowner yelled, scaring them off, and as you can see, one of the men was armed. This video really displays the importance.
Why it take this homeowner so long to say something? Hold on, because he kicked the first door, and it took her or whoever. Hold on, let me see this, cause I know I ain't tweaking. And all she said was hello, bro. How you not say nothing when he first kicked your door and then, bro?
This video really displays the importance of keeping your doors locked. This creepy doorbell footage happened in Louisiana. A young man with a mask and hoodie can be seen attempting to enter this home. He then rang the doorbell, asking for a blanket as some form of cover-up. Take a look.
Hello?
Do you have a cover I can use?
Bro, what? Dog. That was your best cover out? You got a cover I can use? And you an outsider? Man, on me. I either would have did two things. I would have told the motherfucker to get the fuck off my porch, get the fuck away from my house. Or I would have just said, "Oh, you want a cover?" And I would have came down. I would have had a cover for that nigga.
Cover?
Yeah.
I don't have no extra cover.
Fuck all that. Get the
I
fuck
don't
off
know
my
what his
porch.
intentions were, but I don't think he was actually there for a blanket.
Everybody
Never
know
open
that.
the door for strangers. Imagine you open up your ring out and see 3 bears eating up your package. Moments
Oh,
later, the
hell
brave
no.
woman confronted the bears, and you won't believe what happens next.
Did she open up her door? Oh yeah, she dumb. That's not doing anything, bro. She dumb. She dumb as hell. Cause them bears ran away. If them bears, hold on, let me see, cause them bears look a little young. They don't look like them old bears. They don't look like them grown folks. Now I guarantee, it could have just been one there. The big ass motherfuckers that girl that's like 6 foot plus, fat as hell. Her ass would have been dead. Dumb as hell. Move. If I'm not bear, oh, and bitch, this is my house now.
The woman scared off the bears, which took a lot of guts. Would you have done the same thing?
But you can have it.
This footage takes place in Florida, and it shows police attempting to break into a home. When the homeowner confronted them, they stated that they were there to finalize the eviction.
Hello? Hello? What are you doing? We're here to finalize the eviction. What eviction?
It was posted a week ago.
What is your name?
My name is Jennifer, and that is my house.
Jennifer, what's your last name, Jennifer?
I've
Jennifer
seen
was
this,
dumbfounded
but
by
on the
situation, and
sheriff
she stated she never got an
footage.
eviction notice. It was at that moment the officers knew they had screwed up and were at the wrong house. At least they apologized.
I am caught up on my bills. Nobody has served me an eviction notice.
Hey, we actually...
Bro,
we do
I don't see how you go to the wrong house as doing the eviction. All right, if you posted it a week ago, okay, do you know what house you went to before, right? So how the fuck you go to the wrong house if you posted it a week ago and you went to the house where it was supposed to be at? How the fuck you go to the wrong house? And ain't it on the address, whatever the fuck, whatever paper y'all got that say, oh, this eviction is supposed to go down at this house, boop, 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 boop. How the fuck don't you read the address? How the fuck do you see the one officer? He fucking go back and fucking look at it. Fucking
They had screwed up and were
man.
at the wrong
Oh my
house.
gosh, this pissed
At
me
least
off, and
they
I ain't even a
apologized.
homeowner.
our neighbors. What we're gonna have to do is they're gonna have to repair their lock on that.
My dog.
What the fuck you
Hold
laughing
on,
for,
buddy.
bitch? You better repair my goddamn lock. No, repair that bitch. Get the fuck to doing it, or goddamn it, I'm suing the goddamn people that did shit. I'm suing the goddamn police officers. I'm suing the goddamn police department and the individual police officers that was there, and y'all goddamn families. Fuck y'all.
New Mexico shows a woman with multiple keys trying to get into a home that was not hers.
She look like she owns some shit. Hold on. Did this bitch try to put the key in the goddamn camera? Oh my gosh. Bruh. I need to know this. What drugs do y'all be taking that got y'all like this? And you answer that, and then I got another one. What made you get into that goddamn drug to make you like this? Oh my
The homeowner
gosh.
stated she's never seen her before, and she was also throwing rocks at her car, looking for other keys to try on the door. How would you react to seeing this on your Ring camera? This footage takes place in Texas and shows a woman on camera claiming she had food to deliver. However, the couple inside never ordered food. Another camera shows a group of 4 masked men attempting to get in the home through the back. Turns out the woman was there for the sole purpose of causing a distraction.
I
Mm-hmm.
heard a noise.
You
It sounded
fucking
almost
bitch.
like metal clinking. I woke up because of that noise.
Unsurprisingly,
You
this left the
fucking
homeowner
bitch.
shocked, and the neighborhood is on high alert.
Whoever those people are, they've taken our peace, our sense of security.
Police also made a point of emphasis for people to be on alert for potential fake delivery drivers. The group was never caught. What would you do if you woke up and saw that this happened at your front door the previous night?
It ain't much I can do for real. Like, their face is completely covered. Send it to the police, they ain't gonna do shit. Guaranteed, Guaranteed that nigga got that knife. Man, me, I don't know why I'm like this, but me, I would have opened up the door. And I would have let that nigga step 1 foot into my crib, and I would have blasted that nigga. Bro, I swear. I would have blasted that nigga 1 foot into my crib. Bow! On some weirdo shit too, like you're not even like, bro. What is that gonna do? Like you're like, bro, you're being weird.
The clown was knocking, causing a dog to bark, and it appears he was trying to find a way in. Either way, I'm glad I live in a neighborhood where there aren't any creepy-ass clowns coming up to my door.
Hey, don't say that
Here
too
we
loud.
have another clown holding balloons in front of the owner's home. The clown approached and looked into the camera.
That's what I'm saying. Y'all just doing shit just to be weird, bro. Why? Like, what do you gain out of dressing up as a clown and grabbing balloons and walking up to somebody's door? Like, come on now. What you gonna find your ass is somebody like me. Like I said, I'm gonna let your ass come in my goddamn house and I'm gonna blow your ass down. Like doing weird shit like this. Like, why y'all gotta be so fucking weird? Like, you got nothing better to do. Y'all gonna get your ass shot doing shit like this on some weird shit. Niggas not gonna wait till you come to their house. I said,
Not
I'm
sure
gonna
of
give you
the
the
clown's
chance to come in.
intentions, but very creepy. Typical for a clown.
Fucking weirdo.
It was 4 a.m. in Boston, and a woman was away for the weekend, but was shocked to get notified someone was at her house.
Well, it was a little freaky. I'm like, why is there somebody in my house?
A hooded man in a mask can be seen exiting the home. It was believed he got in through the side window. Police think he is linked to other break-ins in the area. The man has not...
He got in through a side window. That tells me you don't know how to use the lock on your windows. There's a lock in the car, there's a lock on the doors, at your crib, and there's a lock on the windows. Well, at least my windows. I don't know how y'all windows are. Why not lock them? It's a lock for a reason. If you don't use your lock, you might as well just leave the goddamn doors open. You might as well leave the goddamn window open. Like, come on.
had been caught. Ring footage shows 2 suspects approaching a home. The man in the red jacket moved the camera to the side to avoid detection before they broke in.
It already detected you.
Paul Corsby was on vacation
It
and
already
shocked to be
detected
notified 2
you.
men were in his house. They would get a...
Bro, do y'all folks not know how cameras work? It's going to detect you when you first walk up, not after you move it. Like, come on.
with a several pound safe along with personal items. What's even more shocking is how they didn't even hesitate to break the door down, not even knocking. These 2 were never caught.
Wow, bro.
In this short but frightening clip, a man is leaving his home before encountering a bear, causing him to go right back in his home.
Oh, shit. You better hurry. See, you looking back too much. You should have hurried your ass up in there. See, now he got your ass, dumbass. See, you looking back too goddamn much. Stop looking fucking back.
It was 3:14 a.m. in Kansas City. The man seen here is the homeowner's ex-boyfriend, and he tried to take off the ring camera, but was unsuccessful.
Exes need to chill. Why are you doing this? Bro, why? Like, bro, it was that good? You had to come and do some weird shit like this? Are you serious? Y'all need to get y'all lives together. Come on. They can't even grab the camera, you fucking
He then came
dumbass.
back several minutes later and covered the camera up with a cloth.
Oh my gosh. You're not stopping at anything, but we already got you.
33 minutes later, the woman's car was set on fire, which later spread to the rest of the home.
Domestic violence is about power and control. And when that power, that control is taken away or it's minimized, then what we see is those efforts are escalated to try to get them back.
Here are some pics of the aftermath. Now the mother, her 6 young ones, and her mother are without a home.
Yo, this nigga set the house on fire. And it's the mom, her 6 kids, and then her mom too. Bro, y'all niggas need to get y'all shit together. For real. Y'all need help.
This man in the Reds jersey slowly walked towards the back of this home in hopes to break in. However, he would soon realize he's about to try the wrong home.
If you gotta come back out that way, why you closing it? And he just opened up the door. Oh my gosh. See? I ain't even gonna say, but he wouldn't have got that far away. He would have been right there by the door somewhere. See, he talking too much, pleading with him. Nah. See, he wouldn't have got the chance to plead with me. Like, no. Like I said, his ass would have been by the door somewhere. Bruh, he giving you a chance to leave, bruh. Just run. He pointing that way. Go. Go somewhere. Like I said, he closed the gate that he had to go back out. Why not leave that bitch open if you gotta get back out?
The homeowner came out with a firearm and pointing the opposite direction for the man to leave. The man eventually walked away, and I'm sure he learned his lesson.
No, he didn't. He didn't get popped.
This disturbing footage shows a man with a knife trying to break into this woman's home.
You can see the man kicking the front door on James Taylor Lane and screaming at those who are inside.
The reasons are unknown, but after some time, he got in. The woman was in fear for her life and fired a round which ended the man's life. Police are not charging the woman, as it was a case of stand your ground.
That's what I'm talking
about. The man also had a history of domestic violence and was said to have had anger issues. Do you agree with the woman not being charged?
Man, I agree with that shit like a motherfucker. Because if she didn't shoot him, then who knows where she would be right now. Maybe she'd be dead. But luckily, hey, God works in mysterious ways, doesn't he? He did all that, banging on the window, kicking on the door. All right, yep, you got in, and guess what? Your ass got popped. Now, guess what? 6 feet under. That's exactly what you get. But this is the end of the video, though. Hope y'all liked it. Goodbye.